Governor Healy testified today on why the HERO Act should become law. It is the most comprehensive piece of legislation to help veterans introduced in the state in at least 20 years.
And 22 News State House reporter Ellen Fleming was there and has how this bill will affect veterans across the state, including here in Western Massachusetts.
Governor Healy testified in support of the HERO Act today, which will take on a slew of needs and concerns facing veterans in the Commonwealth. Senator John Velas of Westfield chaired the hearing and started with a moment of silence for fallen Navy SEAL Christopher Chambers. The governor also touched on the heroism of Chambers as she testified on the bill. The bill itself is a comprehensive package that includes 17 spending, policy, and tax initiatives, and it is aimed at benefiting the welfare of all veterans. Among those initiatives, there is specific support for women, those with disabilities, in the LGBTQ+ community. For example, Healy's bill would create a pilot program for IVF reimbursements for LGBTQ+ veterans.
Veterans come in all shapes and sizes, men, women, people of different races, different genders, different sexual orientations. So it's important when you talk about benefits and services that we make sure that everyone who is served is treated fairly, is treated equally. And that's what we sought to do in this legislation.
The bill will also take a deep dive into discharges related to military sexual trauma, post-traumatic stress disorder, traumatic brain injury, mental health conditions, or HIV discharges.
We're going to make sure that if you were kicked out of the military because something like this and you were deprived of federal and state benefits, at a minimum, we're going to make sure that you get your state benefits.
Also, increasing the benefit that those with a service-related disability, surviving spouses, and Gold Star parents receive is on the list of action items in this bill. Now, the next step for this bill is that it first needs to be voted out of committee before it can head to the legislature for a vote. Working for you at the State House in Boston, Ellen Fleming, 22 News.